Well, the national capital is not in any state. No favorites are made, no state can overtake. Located on the banks where the Potomac River flows.
Today is the DC trip for my 8th grade year. I'm pretty darn excited. It's a pretty big deal. I've been preparing for this for a pretty long time, if you know what I mean. It's pretty great. A lot of people are going, which means a lot of people are probably going to watch this vlog, so I'll try to make it good for you guys. If it's not good, well, sorry. Okay, guys, we are off. Mom, are you excited?
Sorry, too early to be excited. This stuff has
That's what everyone keeps saying, but I'm wide awake. I love this. But I'm not tired. And how is it I can get up for school at 6 o'clock every day and be so tired? And then, like, right now, I'm not tired. Okay, guys, so we're here. This is kind of exciting. I need to stop vlogging so much here because, like, no one really cares about getting there. Only people care about Washington, D.C., but, you know, we're still here. Hey, guys, it's Danielle and Jenna here. So, oh, wow, I look like a hot mess, but it's okay.
I look like just hot.
Good job, Jenna.
Not
Okay.
the best part.
Yeah. So it's 6:02, and it's you gotta hit it against the table. Okay, maybe not that violently. The light doesn't work unless you hit it against the table, so that's fun. Guys, look at us. We're on the bus. That's so fun. I'm sitting next to my mom. Say hi, Mom.
That's so mean, Leah. You said hi, Millie. You didn't say hi.
Hey, vlog.
Hey, vlog. Okay, so Maylee feels good. Okay, so
Wait, can I be your vlog?
you were just, oh, yeah.
On our way to DC. Oh my goodness, ready?
Yeah, sure. Just tell them that we're at a restaurant.
Okay, so we're at a restaurant. No, we're not at a restaurant. We're at a rest stop right now, and you're losing your voice. I know, my voice is like really scratchy. Okay, we're at a restaurant right now. We're at a rest stop. Can you say it for me?
We're at a rest stop.
We're at a rest stop. This is so hard to know. And yeah, it's going pretty swell. We have 2 hours more to go. 3 hours more to go.
Everyone went inside.
Everyone went outside, so like the bus is like kind of not empty, but it's fine. There's a couple people. But yeah.
We're on the bus to go into DC. It's pretty lit.
So fun. I know you guys have missed me. I wasn't in the vlogs at all yet. It's been a hot second. And have they seen you in the vlogs before?
Probably not. But I'm a new person.
It's Bestie Amber.
It's bestie me. We have our milk duds.
Getting Danielle's vlog.
Danielle's vlog.
Hey guys, we love you guys so much. Just want to let you guys know.
Washington DC.
Math class
bus.
squad. We're on the pink bus. But we're missing Danielle right now. We are missing her so much right now. It's so
She's not
on our team, so she had to leave
So this is from us to you for the vlog.
And if this vlog, oh my god, kiwis.
Drop a like if you missed Danielle. It's not a kiwi, it's a cucumber.
I'm eating with my retainers in right now.
Maya. Sour Patch Kids.
But we gotta be healthy, so we
We
don't
have to be
get
healthy.
200 pounds on this trip. So we can snag the cucumber.
Yes.
Danielle, you need to insert the cucumber video right here. Cucumber, you know what I'm talking about?
Cucumber. Vitamins, minerals, very high number. Silica, hair and nails get longer.
Hi Danielle's vlog. Okay, so we're not on the same bus as Danielle because we're on a different team. But so we can be in the vlog. We're vlogging our bus right now, and then it's gonna be in her video. It's only 8:17 in the morning, and we got up at like 4:30 and got to school at 5:15ish, and then didn't leave until 6:30. Oh my God, we're double vlogging.
Oh! Are you vlogging
Vlog Nation! Not vlogging for Danielle's vlog.
Go follow Danielle's vlog. It's Tess. What's up? Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Tess space vlog with a Z at the end. You're probably thinking, what a loser, she's not sitting with anyone. I actually had a partner, but then Raquel took him from me. But it's okay because I'm sitting right across from her. Look at those losers. Because I get to lay down. I can still talk to my biffle Raquel, and I can't show you her because she is snooze.
So I'm not exactly exactly sure how far away we are from DC, but my bus is slowly getting more boring compared to everyone else's. Like everyone else's, they're like having a little party. We're having no party.
We're just at our rest stop, and you'll never guess who came in. Pause. Friendship. And we're like, you know, it was very uncomfortable because like most people at our school kind of don't like friendship.
Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all the way down.
So we stopped for lunch. I don't know where we are. Do you guys know?
We're at some place to eat our bagged food.
We're somewhere in Virginia. We're back on the bus after lunch, and we're about to go to our first stop, right? We're going into DC. It's gonna take around 45 minutes, so we have some time.
Hey, what's up, everyone?
Okay, I'm pretty excited. Let's go. Guys, we just figured out how to recline the seats, and honestly, I'm living for it. This is so comfy. Mom.
It's all the way up.
Huh?
I don't think mine reclines.
Oh, you gotta push real. Oh, no, it doesn't, because you're on the inside. Guys, look at how pretty this is.
Front is the Washington Monument, the Jefferson Memorial, the Round Dome. Across the river to the left, you can see the Lincoln Memorial.
I look to
The
the right.
rectangular marble building.
Right there. There it is. That's so crazy.
Parthenon.
That's so crazy. Gemma goes, that's where Spider-Man was.
On the left
That's
is
so
the
pretty.
main building for the Smithsonian Institution, the Smithsonian Castle.
Wait, there's so many cherry blossoms and stuff. Oh, that's pretty.
We need to take a picture in front of there. We need a picture in front of there.
Okay, so we're finally out of the bus and we're in Washington, D.C.
How many people do we have?
We have 7.
5, 6.
Oh yeah, we're going to go see the dinosaur bones. I'm so excited.
We're gonna see dinos. Everybody have your
Walk my first step in D.C. Look at me, I'm already climbing the Capitol. It's definitely not the Capitol. This place looks so cool. He took a Jolly Rancher from the girl in front of us. Like he's like, okay, you can keep it.
I told you, it's a very
Yeah.
We're at the DC Museum.
You don't know where we are, do you? Narwhal? I love narwhals.
Tell us what time we have to
We have to be outside across.
Did you find a penny? Oh, you just grabbed nothing? Guys, there's a giant whale in there. Oh, I just hit my hand on this thing. That was not fun. Ready?
Danielle, look.
Watch out. Guys, look at the whale. Ah! Jellyfish. What? That thing is so big.
It reminds me of myself.
Guys, this is Lucy. Isn't she cute? Fall in and steal. That is the coolest thing ever. Wait, can you get a picture of me? Because I really love that. There's a polar bear. I filmed way too much in here, but look at the giraffe. He's drinking. There's a hippo and like zebras, and that giraffe is over there. And this thing is this is so cool. This is crazy. You can see everything.
You can see me.
I know. That's the best.
I'll
That's the
jump.
best view. Oh, Jenna, do not do that. This is so cool. They have like all their little labs. Where do you think this goes?
Alright, I'm not taking any more pictures here unless it's cool.
Oh my gosh. That's kind of a
Okay, I
T-Rex.
think I might be thinking.
Yeah, Jenna.
It's kind of.
Imagine that just hurling towards you at full force. Oh, that's my favorite type of dinosaur right there. Look at how pretty this gem is. So we're done with the Smithsonian. We're just kind of waiting around for other people to get here. And what's our next stop? I don't even know. It's probably some place that we can't film. Look at this place. Okay, now we're in the National American History Museum. It has a bunch of like really cool things. Like look at all these like cool artifacts and stuff. They're amazing. But what I really want to see is the ruby red slippers. from the Wizard of Oz movie. That seems to be like the big ticket item for me, at least, so.
You're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. You'll find he is a wizard, a whiz, if ever a whiz there was.
So these are like all of the First Lady's dresses, and honestly, they're so sparkly. So we kind of lost Jenna, Melanie, and Melanie. It was very, very stressful, like very stressful. So update, we just got out of the National History Museum. I'm here. I almost fell. And we found a bench, and we're sitting on it because it's very comfy, and we're very tired. Oh, you say? So we're walking to the Holocaust Museum now. Of course, out of respect, I'm not going to film in there or vlog or do anything, but just know that we're going. And I'll talk to you guys when we get out. So we're done with the Holocaust Museum, and now we're here. I don't exactly know what this is called yet, but I'm sure it's going to be fun.
I'm here again, guys.
So we'll all end up at the same place.
Guys, this place is honestly so pretty. Like, look at the little thingy. Okay, I'll show you. Hold on. Ready for this? There is a step. I know, that was pretty insane.
What can I say? A great mother by
So this is on the back of the penny. It is the Lincoln Memorial. Now Lincoln was our 16th president, and he's a pretty big deal. Let me tell you that. I like him a lot. So we're gonna go see his memorial. It's pretty huge. Oh my gosh, Jenna, it's like the picture. Whoa! We're currently trying to climb up the Lincoln Memorial. This is a lot of steps. I'm a little scared. Let's work. My cats are working. This place is insane. Dude. Jenna. That's so beautiful. This is so cool. Look at the plane, look at the plane.
Ready? I want to get it.
We have to rush off the bus right now because apparently we're going to get fined if we stay here any longer, and that's fun. Guys, okay, so we're at like the mall. Now, funnily enough, my mom used to work here when she was pregnant with my sister for like 10 years.
Your mom was pregnant with your sister for 10 years?
No.
Oh my
But
God.
she worked here for 10 years, and then when she got pregnant with my sister and all that stuff. So like, that's pretty cool. And yeah, so she knows. I'm trying to get Panda Express.
Mr. Ball.
Sorry, Mom! Okay, so we have the whole squad here. Maylee's calling her mom to figure out what type of chicken she wants. We have 10 minutes to get our Dippin' Dots, which is kind of stressful. It's up the escalator to the right. I think. That's what people told me. If worst comes to worst, we can get Dragon Breath. Yeah, it's up there.
But is that a thing? Or
That's telling you where it goes. So, that person is going up the down escalator, and I don't think that's safe. Oh? Who is this?
Me.
Dippin' Dots?
Me.
And Jenna? And whoever that person is? So we're leaving the food court right now.
I've done that so many times today. I just call your name and then like you feel me and I go.
Oh gosh. This place is so
Ready,
cool.
Danielle? Ready, Danielle?
Yeah.
Watch this, watch this.
I'm ready. Maylee, you're about to get hit by a car. Okay, please stop. I'm so scared.
Danielle, watch this.
Wow. Now we're going to the Thomas Jefferson
It's so
Memorial.
cold.
It
I'm
is
so
kinda
cold.
We're going to the Thomas Jefferson Memorial. And then we're going to Martin Luther King's Junior
Memorial. It might be
Memorial.
Martin Luther King Memorial. I don't know if it's junior.
I don't know. I'm a little bit scared. It's really dark, so if I get lost, well, I'm a pigeon in a pile of hay. I'm not getting back out. Also, our pink umbrella that we've been following for the entire day has upgraded to a blue stick.
I mean, it took like a year and a half, I think, just to do like, not even the head, just the face, like the eyes, the nose, and the mouth.
Well, because it looks exactly like him. But
Yeah.
I know, like, of course it does.
And
But,
I like
like,
the abstract of how it goes into the ground.
yeah.
And we've got a little cherry blossom over here too, actually.
Oh, yeah.
They're almost peak. Like this is like pre-peak, but when they all are perfectly white and then the wind blows and they kind of fall off, that's when your thing.
They're still so pretty.
There's just
Jenna.
It's not.
This is the FDR Memorial. Again, really, really pretty. All the memorials are so nicely done. cool this place is. It's so pretty. I think this is the Jefferson Memorial.
Look down. Okay.
I feel like an ant. Jill, I feel like an ant. Okay, you need to stop running. This place echoes like crazy though, because like all the planes are coming in, and it's crazy because like it echoes like, you know. So this is the Jefferson Memorial, and look, there's like a cliff right here. We're about to fall in, but Jenna, do not. I did. This is so great. There's a whistle. Jenna's really struggling in the shower over there. But, so here's our room. I'm sleeping. No, so Melanie gets that bed, Jenna gets this bed, and I get the couch. And you might think, Danielle, you got the really short hand of the bargain here, because everyone else gets a bed.
She chose a freaking chair.
I chose this. Like, they offered to let me sleep.
I don't mind. I'm gonna sleep like this, guys.
Yeah, like, they offered, but I don't know, something about right here. Also, I stole a blanket from my mom's room. But anyway, something about this couch right here, right now, feels great. So that is what we're going to do. Okay, anyway, it's 11:03. They still haven't come back, like, around. Ew. They still haven't come back around to tell us, like to lock up or whatever, so. So I'm gonna go to bed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.